Ode to the West Wind by P.V. Shelley, a romantic ode that addresses the west wind as a powerful spirit. It is a force of destruction and preservation. The poet wants to become one with the wind so his word can bring change and new life to the world. Ode is written in 5 parts, cantos 1 to 5. Each part has 14 lines, like a sonnet. Rhyme scheme is Tarja Rima. A B A B C B C D C D D E E. This makes the poem moves forward like the wind. Meter, mostly iambic pentameter, the rhyme feels strong and flowing just like the wind. The poem is in 5 parts. The wind blows dead leaves off the earth. It carries seeds to their winter sleep. The wind is both destroyer and preserver. Next part, sky, air. The wind drives the clouds across the sky. Clouds are like angry dancers. It brings rain, lightning, and storm. In third part, Sally describes sea, water. The wind wakes up the sea from its summer sleep. It breaks waves and shakes the deep ocean. In 4 parts, the poet wants to be a leaf, a cloud, or a wave carried by the wind. He feels changed by problems and pain. And in part 5, there was invocation. The poet asks the wind to make him its instrument. He wants his word to spread like sparks and brings new life and change to the world. So, in Easy, the poet sees the west wind as a strong and mighty spirit. It blows away dead leaves, drives clouds, shakes the sea, and brings storms. The poet wants to be free like the wind. He asks the wind to use him to spread new ideas and hope. The poem ends with a beautiful promise that after a dark winter, spring will always come. Literary devices used in this poem is apostrophe. The poet speaks directly to the wind. Personification. The wind is treated like a living spirit. Imagery. Vivid pictures of leaves, clouds, sea, and storms. Simile and metaphor. Leaves are ghosts. Clouds are dancers. Poet wants to be a leaf and waves. Alliteration, repetition of sounds for music and effect. Enjambment, lines flow into each other without stopping. The central message of this poem is the west wind is the force of change in nature and in life. It destroys what is old and brings new life and hope. The poet wants his words to inspire people and create a better world. The poem teach us that change is natural. Destruction leads to creation. And no matter how dark the winter is, spring uh, always comes with a new hope and always near. So, main theme in this poem is destruction and renewal. The wind destroys old things, dead leaves, but also brings new life. Seeds for springs. Nature And the poet is another theme. The wind is a symbol of power, inspiration, and change. The poet wants to join with it, hope and change. Even in hard and dark times, change will come. Winter will always be followed by spring. Spring. Winter here symbolizes sorrow, and winter always be followed by spring, hope. एंड यहाँ पे स्प्रिंग सीजन को होप से सिंबलाइज किया है. रिवोल्यूशन. द विंड स्टैंड्स फॉर फ्रीडम एंड न्यू आइडियाज दैट can change society. So here important quotes: be thou spirit, fires my spirit, be thou my. The poet wants to become one with the wind. Next important quotes is: "O wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind?" This famous lines gives a message of hope. Uh, so why this poem is so important? Because it shows the power of nature. It inspired us to accept change. It is full of hope and energy, and it is a perfect example